Okay, so open this, but not the whole way.
Right.
Get the seasoning first.
Mm-hmm. And open it.
Okay. I want to use shoshes.
Probably.
I want to see this over again, okay? So you know how to do it tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay.
Pour that into the bowl. Okay.
I'm still filming. I know. Okay.
Okay, put water in it up to the fill line. The fill line is that line there. You see it?
Okay.
Water to that point. Okay.
Okay.
All right. After you've done that, microwave 4.5 minutes.
Okay. Go to microwave.
Yep.
Keep filming. I don't need this, right?
No.
Put it in the microwave.
Mm-hmm.
Cook time.
4:30.
4:30.
Yep.
1, 3, 0.
Start.
Start.
That's it.
Okay.
Pause it.